Introducing to you a multifunctional laser welding machine with the Relfar Head 3-in-1, a device for precise industrial solutions. Included with the machine, you will receive an easy-to-use wire feeder, allowing you to install spools for welding black steel, stainless steel, aluminum, and brass. The robust design of the machine is equipped with a cooler and a source of Max Photonics fiber laser. The welder allows you to work in 3 modes, which you can quickly change in the control panel, where you will additionally find tips on how to prepare the gun for work. The built-in library will allow you to precisely select the parameters to the thickness and type of material to be processed. Welding. The welder will allow you to weld black steel, stainless steel, aluminum, and brass without splintering. Weld your material with laser precision up to 8 mm. Cutting. Cutting off unnecessary pieces of sheet metal has never been easier. Our welder machine allows you to cut any of the previously mentioned materials, and changeover of the head does not cause any difficulties. Cleaning. Before welding, it is worth taking care of the preparation of the material. Our welder has a special mode that allows you to quickly assemble a set to clean the material, remove rust, powder paint, varnish coatings, oil stains, and more with ease. Impressive, right? In addition to the machine, we provide you with the most important, peace and quiet. Together with our welder, you will receive service with fast response time, professional training on how to use the machine, and a set of consumables to get you started. Don't wait weeks and months for an answer. Our technician will not leave you alone. What distinguishes us from the competition is an efficient service and constant contact with customers. Our technician will come to your company and show you methods of operating the welding machine Relfar, tailored to your company profile and experience. Want to know more? Call the number below or visit our website otinus.com.